Hey guys, Tim Pritchett here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick in Gladewater, Texas, your East Texas dealer for the people. And I wanted to do a quick video for you and show you some interior features on this awesome North Sky Blue Metallic 2020 Chevy Silverado RST. You guys come on in with me for just a second here. This truck is awesome. You got your rubber floor mats there, your leather interior. This truck's got heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's got your electric power parking brake there. Of course, you got your automatic headlights, all that good stuff. This truck here has got your automatic power sliding window. That thing is pretty awesome there. Check out how deep this console is. You store all kinds of stuff in that bad boy there. Y'all come on around here to the back seat for me. I already got one of the seats up. As you can see how much storage you got up underneath there. You got your rubber mats back here. Awesome thing is now that you can get the vents in the console there. That way your back seat passengers there can be a little bit more comfortable. So just wanted to go over a few features on this awesome truck. You guys give me a call here at McKaig at 903-374-0217. And let me show you show you this awesome truck. Thank you guys very much. Y'all have a great day.